Here is the National F-15YM, and I'm in this tiny ass room trying to get a bit of it. I'm literally standing in the corner, and I'm gonna run it up to all 5 speeds, and hopefully nothing will happen. There's a KDK equivalent of this fan called the D-15ZM, and what's different about that fan is, apart from switching out the national logos to KDK, it also changes the national logo to KDK on the motor tag. I'll probably show you an example editing in the video. Here's a controller which still turns very easily and sounds absolutely delightful. And when I turn on the switch, you'll see it gradually spin up. Now I have no idea why the electricians or whoever it is who installed this fan chose to install a 60-inch fan in this probably 75-inch by 90-inch room. And yes, it does wobble a little. That's why. That was a freak accident. But owing to the super high quality of plastic Matsushita fans during the early to mid 80s, well, plastic motor case ceiling fans in the early to mid 80s, the blades are unbent, but they're out of balance. They don't crumple like aluminium or something. Speed 2. Now I have tried speed 5, and it is kind of scary in this little room. It's almost as if it's gonna spin out of control and suck the wardrobe to it, or the walls, or the window, or whatever the heck it is. And even for speed 2, this is kind of fast. Speed 1 is a little fast as well. National. Speed 3. Apologies for not getting the whole entire fan in the frame, just my iPhone 5. I don't have a wide angle camera. My LG V40 could, but that thing broke. What a piece of junk. So I only have the iPhone 5. That thing ran out of battery. And obviously it doesn't move much air because it's cramped in this tiny room. And look kind of closely, one of the blades is hanging kind of low, like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, like that. And I wonder if that's just me, or is the canopy jiggling really fast, or is it just my eyesight? It really kind of looks like it's jiggling from side to side really fast. But I've noticed this with another fan. It's been doing it for years. It's probably just my eyes because I don't see it on my iPhone. Speed 4. Speed 5, full power. Jesus Christ, that sounds terrific. Yeah. And time to turn it off. I really don't know. Is that canopy actually jiggling really fast back and forth? Or is it just my eyes? Cause I kind of heard it knocking. One day, I really hope we can get the blade rebalanced and see, is the canopy actually jiggling from side to side, or is it just my eyes? And if it actually was jiggling from side to side, what in the world is causing that? Now this fan, the bearings are absolutely perfect, because all its life it's been kept on speed 1 or 2. And I think quite a few months ago, in probably during June, July, earlier this year, I gave it plenty of oil. I didn't drown it in oil, but I gave it sufficient oil to last another 30-40 years. Made sure both bearings got adequate oil on the top and the bottom. This isn't faring so well. As you look closely, you can see stuff is starting to peel off. Number 1 is completely gone. This is starting to get a little fragile too. You can easily push it in, and I don't want to snap it. Anyway, I won't get the full wind down of this fan because it'll just keep going and going. Wait, I know what? I'll climb on the stool, slow it down. There, it stopped. And it's not just you. Those blades are super freaking wide. I'm gonna lie on the floor. See for yourself. Compare that to the K15V0 or its Panasonic equivalent, the FM15A0, and tell you which one is going to move more air. The spec sheet is rated for 300 cubic meters a minute. That's going to tell you something. Yup, that's it for a video of the F-15YM.